Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today we're here to show Linda how she can add Bluetooth capability to her older car right here. Today we're in this Honda with the Honda factory radio, and we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this older car radio by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So first turn on the radio.
Okay.
And set your radio dial to 87.9.
87.9. 87.9. Okay.
And then go to the plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget to the socket of your car.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
That's it. She just add Bluetooth capability to her old car right here. So now all you gotta do is pair your phone to the Gizmo Guy Gadget.
Okay, how do I do that?
Go to Bluetooth.
Okay.
Go to setting.
It is Bluetooth on. And
Setting.
okay.
And look for S23
Okay.
and select that.
Bluetooth connected.
That's it. She just add Bluetooth capability to her older car radio. So now she will be able to enjoy streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation capability right from her phone, right through her older car radio without spending a whole lot of money or any type of modification. So now,
Okay. Wesley, I'd like to listen to Pandora.
okay, now go ahead and go to your Pandora and play it. You'll be able to hear it.
Pandora. Okay. Got it.
See, now you'll be able to hear your Pandora music loud and clear without hissing or static.
Okay.
You can also do this with YouTube.
Okay, let me do YouTube then. I was listening to my,
DreamCloud is having the biggest flash sale of the year.
of course, the commercial comes up. All right, there we
You
go.
can turn it up, turn out the volume on your car.
I'll see whether it makes sense to roll that maturing T-bill over.
So she now has YouTube coming through her car speakers loud and clear without a hissing or any static.
Great, great, great. How about if I want to listen to my books?
You can do that too.
All right.
Find out the app that you want to use and play right through. And you will be able to hear it through your car speakers loud and clear.
All right. Here's my book. And this device.
Look at this,
All right.
he said. Are you ready? He opened a door to reveal a cedar-lined closet.
Is this your audiobook?
Yes, it is.
Perfectly draped suits.
Sounds great.
They were all
So this is how easy it is to add Bluetooth capability to your older car radio without spending a lot of money or replacing a radio. Everything will play right through from your smartphone, right through your older car radio by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you, Linda.
Thank you, Wesley.
Bye-bye.